This video covers how to set up VS Code for use with the Oppkey THETA ATK to build mobile apps with RICOH THETA. First, download the ATK base template either with a clone or download the zipped file. Base template installed on your system, change directories into the base template directory and run Flutter pub get. Start VS Code and go to the main.dart file. Main.dart is under the lib folder from your root project. Install the Dart and Flutter extensions in VS Code if you have not already done so. The extensions are available in the left-hand pane. It looks like 3 squares, and then search for Flutter, Dart, and then install them. Other useful extensions include awesome Flutter snippets and indent rainbow. Start an Android emulator. If you don't have one installed, you may need to install Android Studio. I'm using a Pixel 2 Android emulator with Android 11. Select Run without debugging. Congratulations! The next video will show you how to add more buttons and styling. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on building mobile and desktop apps for the RICOH THETA 360-degree cameras.